Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name's Beth and today I'm sewing for the season. It's almost Halloween and I have a few pumpkins and I thought it would be fun to make a really tiny quilt to put the pumpkin on. This is an easy project using half square triangles. The half square triangles are 1.5 inches before they get sewn together. So this is a tiny quilt, probably one of the smallest ones you're going to make. So let's get started. For this little tiny quilt, I cut some squares. There are 4 1.5 inch black squares for the corners of our little quilt. And all of these are cut 2 inches. There's 4 black and white plaids, 4 of a black print. There are 8 black 2 inch, again these are all 2 inch, 8 yellow and 8 orange. So after you have all of your squares cut, we're going to make some half square triangles. First you're going to make 4 with a black and an orange. Then you'll make 4 with a black and a yellow. So let's set those aside. That was 4 black and yellow. And 4 black and orange. That uses up my blacks. Then you'll make 4 that are yellow and orange. So we'll put those here. And the last 4 half square triangles that you make will be the black print and the black plaid. So I'm going to sit down and make my half square triangles. I'm going to put the 2 squares right sides together. I'll draw a line or I'll eyeball a line right through here and then I'll sew on either side and trim. So I should get 2 half square triangles out of each of these. All right, let's sit down at the machine and get sewing. After getting all my half square triangles sewn together, pressed and trimmed, they all now measure 1.5 inches square. So I'm going to make 4 patches that look just like this and sew them together. have my 4 patches together, and now I want to work on the border of half square triangles. Here is 4 and 4 on either side. I want these triangles to kind of point together. The orange is here and the orange is here, and then the yellows will be pointing this direction. So I sewed 4 together here and 4 here, and I will attach to the bottom of the top, and then I'll put these on the sides. And here is our little tiny quilt, all ready to go, all ready to be quilted and bound to put on your mantle with some pumpkins. Thanks for joining me today.